Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Brevard County in east central Florida until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Vieira, or near Merritt Island, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Titusville, Rockledge, Cocoa Beach, and Satellite Beach. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is also occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately.
Turning a possible
Remember,
tag.
lightning can strike
Might get a
beyond 10
TOR.
miles away from a thunderstorm. Special weather statement.
Checking the Twitter
Strong
post.
thunderstorms will
It has a tornado possible tag on it.